Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C face cream. Start on cleansed skin and pat dry before applying a pea-sized amount to face and neck. Use upward gentle motions and avoid the eye area. Apply vitamin C in the morning and follow with broad-spectrum SPF to protect and maximize benefits. If you experience irritation, reduce frequency to every other day and consult your dermatologist today. Start by choosing a stable vitamin C formula that lists ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbyl phosphate. Patch test on the jawline to check sensitivity before regular use. Apply after toner and before moisturizer so the serum absorbs well. Combine with hyaluronic acid for extra hydration and avoid mixing with benzoyl peroxide to prevent reduced effectiveness. Store your vitamin C cream in a cool, dark place to maintain potency and extend shelf. Use vitamin C consistently for several weeks to notice brighter, more even skin tone. Avoid overusing by sticking to once daily application unless tolerated and advised otherwise. Do not layer with retinol at the same time to reduce irritation. Instead, use retinol at night and vitamin C in the morning. Keep expectations realistic about gradual results and track improvements with photos. If you have sensitive skin, consult a professional for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.